Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In my last video, I shared with you how I made beautiful wall decor using Dollar Tree wreath bases. And in today's video, I share with you a new idea using these bamboo rings, also from Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. For this project, I used 12 sets of bamboo rings. Each set comes with one small ring and one larger ring. Let's start with the larger rings first. I used wood glue for this project, but in hindsight, bamboo is actually made of grass and not wood, so using a stronger glue that dries clear would have been a much better option. I wanted to make my design a bit bigger, so I'm adding 2 sets of the rings to 2 of my corners. Instead of marking where each of the rings connect and only adding the glue to those areas, I decided it was easier to simply add a layer of the glue around the entire bottom of the ring. I continued to glue on additional layers of the rings until I was happy with my design. In total, I used 23 rings. I then allowed my glue to dry overnight. The following day, I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it 2 coats of black spray paint. Here's what the design looked like in black. I actually like this design in black, but I've decided to give it a metallic finish. Should I go with metallic silver or gold? Pause the video and tell me which one you think I chose. If you've been with me for a while, then you probably said gold. But for this design, I've decided to do both. For my silver version, I've decided to add Dollar Tree silver pearl wrap and Dollar Tree mirrors. This pearl wrap is self-adhesive, but adding a small amount of hot glue should help keep the pearl wrap in place over time. I added the pearl wrap to all of the small rings. Because I used E6000 to attach my mirrors, I waited an additional 24 hours before hanging my design. And I'll show you what that looked like a little later on in the video. For my gold version, I decided to use Dollar Tree diamond wrap. Now, I haven't used diamond wrap in a really long time, but I thought that it would enhance the beauty of this gold metallic finish. I did add quite a bit of the diamond wrap, but I made sure to keep a lot of the gold finish as well. Now that both pieces are done, I'm ready to hang them. For my silver version, I'm adding one of these remote control push lights from Five Below. I intentionally left the gold version simple and without mirrors, but once I saw the silver version, I really wanted to add that light element to this gold version as well. I really like how both versions turned out. I think they're unique and beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.